guys, I lost the intro to this video, so I'm gonna quickly say this. I put 1,044 straws in my hair. It took me under 15 hours. I have no idea why I did this, so don't ask me. And the details on this particular hair will come soon, maybe by the end of this week, okay? So let's get into this video now. These are my bantu knot sections, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is show you guys. Seriously? Okay, so these are my bantu knot sections, and what I'm gonna do is go ahead and curl. This is gonna be a big cleanup job, I can already tell. So here are some straws. I'm sitting in bed, so if I give up, I'll just go to sleep. Last time when I put 400 rollers in my hair, I used the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a twisting cream only for this tutorial, and I'm using it so I can just tap in, get some, and it'll be easy for me to style my hair. I have a million bobby pins to secure my straws. I'm gonna show you in the front on one section. So basically I tap in like once, get a little bit of product, and this is the straw. I'll bend it in the middle so I can see, and apply the product, come down, starting at the middle of the straw, wrap around. This is too easy. You can't mess this up because they're so tiny and they're easy to like just curl around. So then bend it, and then right at the end grab this, don't need to open it actually, and slide through, and there it secures. So I don't have to worry so much about anything coming out because it's so tiny, and also because it's so easy to just slide the bobby pin in. Like, you can't mess this up at all. This was not a good idea, but I've noticed that with momentum I can actually, I have figured out a rolling technique that helps me move faster, so that's a good thing. And yeah, I'm on my fourth section right now, and I'm going to be moving on in at least, I think 10 minutes from now, I should be on to the next. Ugh. I watched Leap, I watched The Little Mermaid, and now I'm watching Olympus Has Fallen on Netflix. Yeah. I just had breakfast, and I'm gonna take a shower whenever my back starts to hurt again. Basically, I have a casualty in here. There's a bobby pin that got stuck. I'm not fishing it out. I don't care at this point. And okay, so this is what I do, right? I flick my finger in, going up, so I can get the product on top of my nail. And this really helps speed me up, right? And then apply it, then grab the straw with my other hand, fold it in half. I'm not really concerned with whether it's down the middle or not. I was earlier, and I realized I was wasting my time because it's not important. So I go up about 1 inch, and I'm wrapping my ends around. Can you even see this? And I'm wrapping toward the root when I'm done wrapping the ends, and that gets it close to the root. Then I close. I need a bobby pin, and I have this rag. It's not a rag. I have this tank top here that I've been rubbing my fingers on to get product off my fingers, and I grab my bobby pin, stabilize with my ring finger, and stick the flat end into the longer side of the straw, and the other side automatically just slides in like it's nothing. So that's what I've been doing, and it takes about 30 seconds per section to do it. So I'm like zooming through now. I'm gonna be done in less than 16 hours with naps and eating and showers and everything. Okay, I'm on my last one, and then I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna count the remainder so I can see how many are in my head. So yeah, I don't know what time is it. What time is it? It's 8:33 right now, so I made good time. I'm like under 15 hours. And we're done. Don't do this. Do not do this. Ever. Ugh. There were 966 straws left, so I'm assuming that I have 1,044 in my head right now. And there's a little patch right here that was really comfortable to sleep in, so this is where I slept at night. Do a turnaround. I guess since this one is like trying to come out, I'll start here. And pray for me. Slide and unravel. Oh my gosh, these are like real 4C curls, you guys. Like, for those of you who are new to my channel and don't know what a 4C curl is, basically it's the kinkiest hair texture, naturally occurring hair texture. Oh, I can slide it. Oh, I could like just slide it off, you guys. This is so cool. So just pull up and slide up. Man, this is so much better than perm rods, because perm rods, they'll like take forever like to take them off because they have teeth on them. This is so cool. It might not even, wow, somebody's mowing the lawn. I did not think I would be able to remove them this fast. I know I'll be done in at least 2 hours. I have noticed on some of them that I didn't wrap all the way to the ends. The ends are a little bit frizzy. Honestly, I don't care because I wrapped an average of about 20 to 25 times on each one. And also, like on this particular one, the bobby pin got stuck because I wrapped all the way to the end. This one's not going to be an issue, but on the ones where I wrapped all the way to the end, the bobby pin kind of pulls them out with it. If you do a straw set and you use bobby pins to secure, make sure your hair doesn't go all the way to the end. It's not like it matters. You can just pull the hair out of the bobby pin because it's literally in the middle of the bobby pin. It's not going to cause damage. It's gonna come out easily. It's not a problem. Like this one. Where is it? It's been an hour. I feel like I'm halfway done. I'm gonna turn around. You know, I am starting to see why people love straw curls, because they don't pull your hair out at all. They're super smooth and they don't snag your hair like perm rods or flexi rods will. And I'm starting to also see why I like spoolies, because spoolies are the same way. Maybe that's why I fell in love with them so long ago. We are at the end of the road. These are definitely tighter than the 400. I'm gonna keep messing with my hair until I figure out what looks good, but I feel like day 2, day 3 hair will probably look better. And I am so glad I did this because you guys get to see a close-up of what the curls look like. Super tiny, tight curls. Also, if you have kinky hair, you do not have to do this. You can do a wash and go. I suck at wash and goes. I've said it a lot of times, but one day I will master them and I will show you guys.
Oh,
the front.
Okay. There.
This one.
You gotta watch, you don't come on your hands. You can't turn that alligator upside down too quick. You can kill it in a second. Don't go rolling and spinning like cross.
Under the neck and the tail.
They have to do in their brain and their everything. It's equilibrium. That's lots of tongue.
Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Today is the 31st, so it's been a while. And yeah. The curls have tried to lock up, and I will be washing my hair so that my hair doesn't actually lock up. Tomorrow I'll detangle, wash and everything, and then I'll move on to the next thing with my natural hair. So thank you so much for watching. As always, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share with a friend, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye!